si Kai Bagasi po.
Yes po.
Yung reaction mo sa sinabi ni Direk na nag-audition kayo, pabalik-balik, and then how do you prepare for your role?
Well, my reaction to what Derek had to say about KJM. Wow. Grabe. Oo, sumasang-ayon naman po ako sa sinabi ni Derek because noon pa lang sa loob ng bahay, we actually had a task where we had to like act. And KJM did a good job despite having to use a language that he's not good with. Kasi Bisaya siya doon eh. At hindi Bisaya si Kuya Jem, pero he did a great job. So noon pa lang, nakikitaan ko talaga si Kuya Jem na umarte. And finally, he's doing it. So I'm proud of him, but I'm also proud of myself kasi not only is he acting, I'm also going to be acting with him and the whole cast in this production. Kaya, I as well, inside the house, did an acting task with Kuya JM, kami lahat ng housemates. And gaya nga lang ng sinabi ni Kuya JM, although we didn't start off strong talaga with acting because we're inexperienced people coming into acting, yet we did workshops, and I did it with Kuya JM as well and the other housemates. At eto na nga yung chance namin na i-prove na kaya namin gawin ang acting task dito sa outside world.